Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I laid down my lace frontal. And in the video I did do a side part, but I wasn't really feeling it, so I ended up changing it up, and I did not do that on camera, so forgive me. But if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching.
You ain't the one for me, you ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you, maybe I'm not your speed, maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese, maybe I'm just too G for you, maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace, everybody notice me.
So I've already applied the cap to my head. Now I'm just gonna add the glue, and I am using the Boho Active, and this is my favorite one. It works wonders just in case I decide to go to the gym whenever that is, because I always say I'm going to the gym and I never go. But yeah, this will be the glue I'll be using today. So I also wanted to make this wig a glueless wig, but that was not going to work. If I did decide to go to the gym, then I would have to apply my wig every day because I sweat a lot in my head. So that was not going to work, so I had to glue it down. But as you guys can see, it already looks natural. So when I do remove it and wash it, I will make a video on me applying it glueless. Of course, I'll be using the Got2b spray, but it is still glueless because it's not glue, sis. So here I am applying the glue to the cap, to the cap and my forehead, and then I'm going to smudge it out with a comb. So since I don't plan on leaving the wig in for that long, this time I am only applying 2 coats, but usually I do 3 or 4. Make sure the glue is dry properly before applying the wig, because you don't want the white showing through your lace. I usually apply one side at a time, simply because every wig that I have bought online was always too small for my head, and this one fit perfectly, which I was not expecting, but it did, so I was kind of happy with that. And this here is from Aliexpress. It is in 24 inches body wave. This was my second time applying this wig. I had bought it around Black Friday, and I applied it around Christmas, and then I took it down because the ends were lifting, so I did it over. Y'all, I love this wig so much. Like, it was in my head for about probably 2 weeks before I took it out. Probably 2 weeks. I can't really remember. I think it was 2 weeks, but it was not doing any matting, no shedding, no nothing. And every other wig that I have, well, not every other wig, but some wigs that I have bought will be shedding by now, and it's not. So yeah. So after this step, I am going to take an elastic band and tie it around my head, making sure that my lace frontal is stuck to my forehead. We don't want any lifting. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. When I first did my wig, it was in the middle part, so I decided to do a side part, and I wasn't really feeling it, but since I already started for the video, I just continue to do it, and I'm just going to be taking my curling wand and placing it in the part so my lace frontal could be a little flatter than this, because I wasn't liking how it was looking. So yeah, I'm just going to take my curling wand and start smoothing it out. So I had just decided to add some wand curls to my wig, and that's what I'm doing right here. If you guys want, you can fast forward through this part. It's only going to be showing me wand curling my hair, which I have a video on that, and I'm going to link it down below, but I'm just going to be fast forwarding through this part. Now I'm removing the elastic band, y'all. My hair was laid. Like, I love how it came out, but I still hated that side part. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna start cutting my baby hairs into place. I had already cut it when I first installed the wig. So I'm just gonna be adding some mousse and putting it back into place. So this is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.